This one, America, a Horse of No Name, it's just 2 notes, okay? The chords for it are kind of like an E minor, and then what you can do is put second finger on the 2nd fret, so the F sharp, and then 3rd. Bit of a tricky shape this, so it's kind of like this, it's all on the 2nd fret, and your 3rd finger is going to be going on the 2nd fret of the G, which is, it's kind of like an F sharp kind of thing, if you wanted to give that a go. But breaking it down onto 2 strings, it's literally open E, and then we go to number 2, F sharp. It's the strumming or the sort of picking pattern. If you can use your thumb, just open, not hold down anything. 1, 2, 1, 2, 2. 1, 2. So it's like a bit of a funny sort of pattern, but on 1 string you can sort of practice real slow. It's good practice for your sort of rhythm and timing, this one actually. Although it's quite a simple song, it's kind of not, because you've got all this other stuff going on. So it's like you're kind of muting it when you get to that F sharp. So there's quite a lot going on with this hand too. Let's go back to the chords a second. So the E minor, first one, down, up. Then you mute straight away. You can either use your fingers here or the palm of your hand. So like you're doing a drum beat. So down, up, down, up, up, down, up, down, up, up, down, up. And it's literally just using the nails. If you've got a guitar pick, then by all means give that a try, or just your thumb. You can very just nice loose thumb, and then down, up, down, up. Slow that right down for you. Again, 1 string. It's difficult to sort of do a down, up with your thumb. You can certainly try that, just but nice and slow and gentle. That's how progress is made, if you do it real slow. It's not impossible without, doing that on 1 thing, 1 string of your thumb. But I kind of find it easier to, I don't know. Again, I've been doing it a little bit longer with, in terms of having the mixing up the different style. I kind of improvise a lot, so what works for me for America is to sort of do the strumming, but 1 string, 1, 2, 1, 2, 2, 1, 2. How many times on the E? So that's 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. 6 times in the E. 1, 2, 3, 4. If we want to really sort of simplify this, we can just do 4 on the open E and then 4 on the F sharp. 1, 2, 3, 4. 1, 2, 3, 4. 1, 2. That's pretty much the song. And the complex bit about it is probably the strumming pattern. So if you're doing the strumming pattern, then it is going to be 6 on the E, and I think it means 1, 2, 3, 4. Well, it's like 6 on the E. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. It's a strange time signature, strange pattern. 4 on the open E, 5 on the, sorry, is it 6 on the open E? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. Yeah, 6. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 1, 2, 3, 4, 1, 2, 3, 4, 1, 2. I think you can probably try both, but that is for a very, I've probably gone way over the top of this. Do let me know in the comments if it's confusing or really confusing, because I feel right confused now myself. But I think I've given you some options to try. So for those of you who want to give the chords a go, we've got the E minor, and it's like down, up, down, up, down, down, up, down, up. That's kind of the second chord, but it's the shape, the pattern is the tricky, because you're like down, up, you're muting. I could go on all day and I can really overcomplicate things. I'd say keep it simple, stick with the 2 strings. Okay. So this week is all about breaking down songs onto 1 string. I did it multiple ways there. Hope I've given you some options there as well. Do let me know what you think, do comment, and by all means have a go yourself at playing. Keep it simple, okay? I have a feeling I overcomplicated that, but I'm aware, and yes, do let me know. Have a great day. See you later.